Hey guys, welcome back to another fabulous episode of Pokemon Showdown. I'm here with my good bud Nintendo Gamer Devlin, doing another episode of Versus Week Continued. In case you didn't know, last week was very quick, so I decided to come back and do more. Whack! Oh, by the way, say hi to the audience, Nintendo Gamer Devlin. Yeah. So we're just gonna get started. He's nature, I'm tech. Let's get started. It's nature versus tech. Who to start off with? I need to think this through. Let's start off with you. Glitchity glitch. Oh, he's switching. He's volt switching. Oh, he's got that synchronized though. How shall I deal with this runt? How shall I deal with him? I'm gonna switch. He's cured. My diagnosis is that he is cured. My main problem, how do you... Yo. Well, this is what you get for calling me on your computer. I'm just gonna hold up my phone. Burn. Synchronize is a bitch. Heal yourself. This is freaking great. I'm being a complete and total idiot this battle. Don't blame me none though. Je ne sais. He's got a certain je ne sais quoi. Well, this is just fine dandy. Everything sounds screwy over on your side. Should have seen that coming. I'm such an idiot.
Hurry up.
I am hurrying, and you resist ice like a pro. Yo, I'm literally running out of ideas. Because you can take pretty much everything I have to throw at you like a champ. Thinking. Like a person should. This is just fine dandy. This is just fine dandy. Okay. Well, this is just fine dandy. Fine dandy how? This sucks. Bye, Jersey Buzzer. I'm so sick of this. I always just lose control whenever I'm battling with assholes. Oh, je ne sais quoi. Alright, I'm running out of ideas. You know what they say, when you run out of ideas, you just gotta go for it. And you know what? I am running out. Oh, I'm so sick of this. And I just made a dumbass move. Oh wait, no I did not. Totally cool at this. I just have nothing that can kill it. None that I know of. Polaris has terrible physical attack, just in case you were wondering. Hello? Don't want to deal with your shit.
It's the second time you failed me.
Rayquaza. Just in case you were wondering, we've assigned some legendaries to our sides. Just in case you were wondering. Because, you know, emphasize. By the way, I just noticed something. You're red, I'm blue. I forgot to change my sprite. I'm stuck as blue. I made a disgusting sound. Oh god. And I'm running out of options. I like shiny Genesect. I like shiny Genesect more than I like any others. It's the only thing I can do to you that will actually probably kill you. And this is just causing me pain. Hashtag for reals, Devlin? And you resist fire. You resist fire? You resist ice? What else am I supposed to kill you with? For realsies. I'm running low on options. In case you were wondering. And you can just leech seed all day, so freaking perfect. I can't take the Venusaur. I literally hate Venusaur. Are we fucking for reals now?
Yeah, but I was hoping you did the one. So I guess you back up.
Like it even matters. So done. Ugh, didn't even want to stay here. Don't want to stay with you and your goddamn Pokemans. Stay with your goddamn Pokemon. And it misses. What else is new? I'm getting angry again. This is for fun. This is for funsies, and I'm letting it get to me. For the love of God. So sick of life. Should just use these turns to, like, cash. Okay, killed something. That's fine, dandy with me. I have a huge weakness that I'm surprised you didn't really cash in on, though.
What the hell?
And I'm an idiot. I'm so sick of life. So sick of life.
Hashtag hurry hello comment.
I picked my move already. Must be lag on our sides. How is he faster? Oh. That explains everything. Hashtag team I don't give two shites. Could go for steel stab. I don't know no more. I'm not even gonna very fast. So done. Just resist everything. I literally give no shits no more. And what makes you think I did choice Scarf Genesect, huh? I care no more. I literally care no more.
Oh my god! Please die.
I really would rather not, but I guess I will. For the sake of love. I was here. I was here, man. You just want to kill everything I've got, or is there some secret motive here? We're going down in a bang. I'm so done. Yo, I'm just so done. Can we get this done? Can we just get this done? Hashtag Dunsies? Ooh, hanging in there with the last minute.
Look at the comments. Look at the comments.
Gen 5 hates. I know you hate Gen 5, man. Genesect is a thing, man. And look, I was about to say I didn't do pretty well, but overall I ended up doing okay, I guess. But I guess in the end, if you want to know if nature would beat tech, in the end, nature will always find its way to spread itself and overcome our overgrowing internet use. Hashtag Dunsies. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I've seen Dunsies, I've seen Gen 5 hate. I'm good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I've said, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And remember, hashtag we're Dunsies. I'm Nintendo Gamer Tom, and this is Nintendo Gamer Dev signing off. Gerber, guys. Gerber indeed.